Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while. It's especially been a while since I've done like a sit down video, because lately I've just been doing vlogs, and yeah, life has just gotten in the way. But I have been thinking about this channel, and I've been thinking about getting back to it. I've been trying to get back into it, and you'll notice like I'll put up 2 videos and then nothing for a while, then I'll come back and I'll put up 2 more videos and then nothing for a while. But yeah, so that's how it's just been. But I have a lot of footage that just needs to be edited and posted. I just finding the time to do it all is, yeah. Anyway, not the point of this video. The point of the video is I'm thinking of starting a new series on this channel called I haven't figured out the name yet, but it's going to be something about Apple FanGirls. I'm an Apple FanGirl. I'm an Apple girl myself. I've been an Apple FanGirl for my first entry into the Apple world was the iPhone 4S. I mean, I was a fan of Apple before that. I just didn't own any of their products, but now I do. So over time, I like to do, I'll do unboxings when I purchase new products. I'll do reviews. Not so much a review, just, my thoughts on the product. Let me say it that way. Because I don't want to go into like technical review type stuff. I just want to go, this is what I like about the phone, this is what I don't like about the phone. So just my personal opinion of, the product. Let me not say phone because there's other products. But I will start off with what I currently have, and then I'll see how that goes. Anyway, to start it off, I just got myself a little package from the iStore. I just wanted to make sure I don't show my address, put my address all out there. Not that I don't trust y'all, but I do live in South Africa. So I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys for my first video. Oh. To be fair, this package's arrival kind of spurred this idea. I've had the idea for a while. I just wasn't like putting it into motion. And then this package arrived, and I was home, and I decided, why not? So that's the package. This is the address. And voila! I don't know if you can tell from there what it is. Oh, there. Yeah. I've never in my life got a gold iPhone before. I've had white. I've only had white. No, I'm pretty sure I've had rose gold. Yes, I've had rose gold. I've had white, I've had rose gold, and I've had gray. My current one it's gray. Not gray, silver. My current iPhone, which is the X, is silver. But then, which looks pretty white, right? I don't know, it looks white to me. But then I got the gold. The strap doesn't match. It's fine. The gold watch, but that gold looks very rose gold, which is nice. I like rose gold rather than yellow gold. I bought this cover. When I bought it, it looked rose gold. It doesn't anymore. It looks dirty now. But anyway, at the time, it looked rose gold. So now I bought the gold phone to match with the watch. Yeah. Yay, new phone, new phone, new phone, new phone. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro. I got the 256 gig. I don't think I needed a 256 gig because this one is a 64 gig, and I still haven't used. It has never been full, basically. I would have opted for 128 if they had, but they don't have the 128, so I had to go for the 256. But yeah, so ooh. There you go. Oh, I like this, that this is gold as well. Gold. Oh, she's so pretty. Okay, this is really pretty. This is really very pretty. It does definitely look rose gold. Like, it has a pink tinge to it. There she is. With the lowered, look at the difference on the back. This is lowered, like it's not as high as it used to be. And also the side buttons are apparently lowered. Just slightly on this side. They're slightly lower than on this side. I'm not sure why. It's probably like internal things that have been shifted around. But yeah, otherwise, everything else is the same. The bottom is the same. The front is the same. The notch is the same. Okay, and obviously the camera is different. Yeah, so let me just finish taking all of this stuff off. Ooh. Okay. And oh, there's nothing back here. Oh, it feels. I didn't expect it. Yeah, it feels very different. I forgot that they've made the back more matte this year. This one is more shiny, and this one is more matte. It's glossy, not shiny. Sorry, glossy, matte. Except for this camera bump here, which is still matte, and then obviously the Apple logo. But the back here is very matte. Yeah, yeah. I was just feeling, but yeah, feels very different. But yeah, so that is my new Apple iPhone 11. Just wanted to do the unboxing with you guys, and then I will report back after I've used it for a bit. Report back on how it's treating me and how I'm finding it and how I'm enjoying it. Oh yeah, the last thing I wanted to add is that with the 11, Apple included the fast charger included with the phone instead of having to buy it separately as they did with the 11 and with the 10 and the 10s. Those two you had to buy the fast charging brick thing separately, but with the 11 Pro it comes included in the box, which is very nice. Yeah, I'm so excited to have a new baby. I need to go buy I still need to buy a cover and a screen protector. Do I not? No, I do not. I was trying to remember if I have an extra screen protector from this one, because it's the same exact screen, but I do not. So I'm gonna have to go in to buy a screen protector. I'll have to do that soon. Part of me wants to leave this bag naked because it is so pretty, and it just looks so nice. So I kind of just want to leave it as is, but definitely the screen I'm getting a protector. If nothing else, I mean, this phone, I've had it in a protector since day one, front and back, and I've not gotten not a single scratch on it, and I do tend to drop it a lot. So I'm a big fan of protectors and skins and covers and all of that. But yeah, I'll just have to go in and buy one soon. But yeah, anyway, sorry, I'm taking up way too much of your time now. But yeah, that is my iPhone 11 unboxing. And should I just turn it on? But yeah, so it's turning on now. And oh, she's so cute. Done. Transfer data from this phone. Yes, please. 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, looks like it first has to update to 13.1.2 and then it will transfer the data. So it's gonna be a while. So I think that's it from my side. But I will do a follow-up video soon on how I'm finding the 11 Pro. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, please hit that subscribe button, and in the comments below just let me know, give me feedback on this video, or let me know what other videos you'd love to see, or yeah, if you're even interested in this Apple FanGirl series. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.